Well, hey guys, welcome back to BOSKY Outdoors. It's been a couple weeks since I've been up here. Last time I was here, that was a couple weeks ago. I came back, camped out overnight, and a landowner, a friend of mine, he actually came back here and camped out over here, cleared a nice little spot for a tent pad, and he set up his tent and stayed out here, and he enjoyed it a lot. It worked out really well. I mean, we never got 6 feet away from each other, closer than that, so it worked out really well. If anybody's curious about my saw, it's called What a Saw, and aluminum frame, and I'm not sure if they come like this anymore, but they come with 3 blades. One is like a hacksaw blade for cutting through metal. The other one is like a coarser blade. I don't think it would be good for metal, but it really worked good for a bone saw for cutting up deer. And then you got your wood saw blade, and there's a little lock screw here for tightening them down. So when you hear me sawing, you can hear things rattling around a little bit. It's the extra blades in there. And I bought this thing probably 25 years ago, and same blades, it's just been a great saw. And they're very inexpensive. I'm not sure how much they are now, but I'm pretty sure they still make them. And like I said, I'm not sure if they come with all 3 blades or not, but even if it don't, it's just a great pack saw blade, very light. And I'm gonna go cut some wood. Well, this is the path that I had made this winter, and kind of cleaned it up a little bit this spring. This was all under snow. This log here, this tree was all the way across, and I didn't even know it was there when I made the trail in the winter, so I had to cut out a section to get in and out a little easier with my cart or just walking and that. So I'm going to try to cut off a piece here and make a cutting board out of that. That seems solid enough. I should be able to get something out of that. This one's got a split right here. This will be it right here. Hey, it's getting warm out. It's getting there. I tell you, if I was back in my 20s, I wouldn't even notice it, but I'm 55 and my arm's killing me. This should turn out pretty nice, though. I keep wetting my hand so I get some good grip on the hatchet, and I'm holding it close to the edge so I have maximum control over it, and I'm kind of holding it sideways so if I do slip, it's not going to hit me in the leg, hopefully, or it might just come down and hit the log. I got it about 1 inch thick. I think that's thin enough. It's got a slight crack right here. I didn't want to keep going. I didn't want it to split, so that'll be good enough. I'm gonna round off one side and put a handle on the other side. See how that goes. I think first what I need to do is clean this off a little bit. This log that I use is completely dead, completely dried out, and all these shavings, excellent for starting fires. So I'm going to save those, and I'm going to put them underneath my shelter. That way next time I come out, I want to make a fire. I mean, this is great for fire starting. It ain't perfect, but it's gonna work. I want to put a little handle on there, you know, to hold on to it, but I want to be able to wrap a strap around there so I can hang it from my pack. That's a little thick, but that is gonna work. I'm done with this project. That's gonna be nice. Well, there it is. I had a fun time today. I was only out here for a few hours, and it's about 1:30, 1:25 right now. I'm gonna pack up and head out. I got other things to do. So thanks a lot for coming along. Hit that thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe and do all that good stuff. All right, appreciate it. We'll see you next time on the trail. All right, you have a good day. Keep healthy, keep 6 feet away from your neighbor, and we'll see you next time. All right, bye-bye.